went really well, and our windows are great.
Guys that came here on the crew, they were really good. They cleaned up after themselves. We had no problem there. We had a problem with the door, but that was because of the door manufacturer. They ordered the parts for us. As soon as they got it in, they called us and took care of it. And the sound is a lot less now because of the windows. We don't hear as much outside.
Yeah.
And we saved a little bit on our electric bill too.
That too.
$10, $15 a month, which all helps over the course of the year.
And we have peace of mind.
Yes, and they look great, better than the old windows.
We would recommend Paradise.
We've dealt with companies before where after they get the money from you, they don't want to hear from you. And when we call, everybody's very gracious on the phone. They want to help, and we appreciate that.
Yeah, and they came back and did our trim. And now everything is done, and we're happy.
Thanks a lot.